Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly. Removal. Carefully disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the right microphone ZIF connector and disconnect the right microphone ribbon cable from the system board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Carefully remove the right microphone from the adhesive and alignment pins on the display enclosure. Remove the right microphone and place it in a static-dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the right microphone from the static-dissipative bag. Insert the right microphone ribbon cable into the right microphone ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Place the right microphone onto the alignment pins on the display enclosure and gently apply pressure to adhere it into place. Carefully connect the battery cable into its connector on the system board.